Hi, in this section we're going to cover web options. So this is the section here that controls the web booker and the passenger app. So again, we're at admin, we're at service types, active. This is the grid here. We're going to go ahead and click on for our comfort standard saloon at the top, sedan. So brief description, this is what's shown on the app and the web booker. There is a long description which has been covered in a previous video. And an example would be carries 4 passengers and 3 medium suitcases. Okay, something like that, very simple. An example vehicle, so that's shown on the web booker as the vehicle type. So it could be, for example, Mercedes. It's not the actual vehicle, but if it's a standard saloon, it's probably something like a Mercedes C-Class or a Skoda, something or other. Okay. So when the booking's been made online, can it be amended online? So chances are probably yes. But for larger vehicles, if they're booking coaches, it would be no. And it would be displayed, they can't amend it, they have to make a phone call. Minimum booking time notice, so you can control the minimum booking time that comes in off the app and the web booker. Is this vehicle app and web enabled? If it's set to yes, it will show. And to give you an idea of that, so this is set to yes. So as you went to, this is actually one of our customer sites here. So if it was set to no, then it wouldn't appear here. Okay, so it would just be switched off. Just recapping then, so the brief description appears here. Okay, you can see this text under standard saloon, it says traveling comfort, and the example vehicle. Example vehicle section shows here. Okay, so you can see that although it's a standard saloon, that's the example vehicle. So the next option, how do you want to display the price on the website? Do you want it per person or minimum fare? So per person obviously divides the number of seats by the minimum fare calculated by the prices you put in, and then it displays it like this. So you can see on the first one on the left where it says standard saloon, from just $3.87 per person. Well, if there's 4 seats, then it would be 4 times $3.87, which would give you the minimum fare, right? So you can show the whole minimum fare or just the per person. Images to be displayed online. I suggest getting semi-professional or buying the images online, because it really is important. We can help you with this as well. So we have our minibus, we have our range of images that we use. This is an American customer of ours, so they've got the kind of the big SUV as their executive brand, but yeah, it's really important for the look and feel, especially when you're on this section here. It just looks really neat and tidy. So what we want to do is, the next section is assign attributes to this comfort sedan that we're configuring here for the web and app. These are controlled under service types. You've got chargeable and you've got instructions. Chargeable attribute could be bottled water or baby seats. An instruction would be something like free Wi-Fi. But for the website, let me just show you where these show. So here you have some instructions. So this is where these show. We'll just go back to our form here and we'll expand it. These are instructions, so you can switch these on and off. Again, they're all added down here in our section down there. So whatever you slide across here, so Wi-Fi enabled or Wi-Fi available, meet and greet included. So you can build out the attributes and then they start to pop up here on the website. So it's fully automatic. You don't have to do anything on the website at all. All of the information comes from iVcardo. So we have our long description here, which is covered in another section. So it's different from the short description. We'll go ahead and select that option now, so we can scroll down and we can have a look at, so we've got our baby seat. There's a price associated against it. So go back to our form and go to the chargeable instructions. We've got baby seat. Obviously this is our demo site. It's not connected to our live client site, so it's just an example, but that would be switched on. We've already defined a price for that in the other section, but that shows here, and then obviously they can apply that. If they wanted a return, then they click on the return button and it would just double the price. So that's tying the attributes to the vehicle type itself so that everything displays on the website, and they can make a decision on what extras they want to add. Okay. Thanks for watching.